you know, our psychology, whether we're the kind of people that use it or not.
Okay. Here you go. Good for you.
Southbound Aerodrome Road. So a lane out because of an overturned car, recovery work, A41 Watford Way, southbound at the junction of Aerodrome Road and Greyhound Hill. It's blocking lane 3 and the right turn lane. Tower Bridge southbound queuing Tower Hill to Elizabeth Street. Usual queues. Dulwich Common stretch of the South Circular both ways very slow. Adding Park roadworks there. 8501 Euston Road westbound slow. King's Cross to Euston. Roadworks there and the Aspen Way.
When was your last drink? Because I'll be honest, you smell quite strongly of...
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago, was it? Okay, alright. Have you had a cigarette or anything in the last 20 minutes?
No.
Okay, alright.
So just so you can see, sir, that's all sealed, okay? I'll open it up in front of you, alright?
Yeah, sure.
Is everyone alright at the other end? Injury-wise?
I think they're okay. I think it's just a bit of shock.
If you fail to provide, okay, you're liable to be arrested as well, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, and you said you have done one of these before, in the past?
Oh, years ago.
Years ago, okay, so you know how to do it, yeah?
How old are you, sir?
73.
73.
Step line
So I'll open this up now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, when I tell you to do so, form a nice tight seal around there, okay? Blow steadily and evenly until I tell you to stop. My colleague's already explained to you that if you cannot provide us with this sample, you will be arrested, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, when you're ready.
What do I do, blow?
So, yeah, take a nice big deep breath in. Right, okay, stop. Stop. Take it out your mouth. Right. Okay, like this. Look at me. See me?
Yeah.
It's like you're blowing up a balloon, okay? Keep going. Stop. One, 3, 2. Needs to be arrested. Okay, sir, 1732. Okay.
Yeah.
You've blown over the legal limit of alcohol, so you're under arrest for Section 5 of the Road Traffic Act, okay?
Yeah.
You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence, alright?
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
sure.
what's going to happen now is you're going to be taken to the police station where you're going to provide us with another sample of breath, okay? And then you're going to be interviewed about what's happened once you sobered up.
Okay.
QJ, receiving Oscar Tango 22. Male driver's blown 132 roadside, arrested by myself, Section 5, 1732.
The blood vessels so that they can tap into that precious supply of oxygen and nutrients. Tumours that directly wire up